Hello and welcome back to the channels, my friends. This is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to be talking about how to increase your upload speeds for uploading YouTube videos on Google Chrome browser. First step is very simple. Go to these three dots, go to history, and simply click clear browsing data and delete cached images and files, and also browsing history. I'm going to keep this unchecked, but you can delete this one as well, and also cookies and other data as well. Clear this data. Now second step, my friends, is go to open network and internet settings on this Wi-Fi icon on Windows 10, and go to Wi-Fi, go to change adapter options, go to Wi-Fi 2, go to properties, and go to TCP IP4 properties, and under this option use the following DNS server addresses. Add in 8888 alternative DNS server 8844. This is the from the official Google DNS addresses, and check mark validate settings upon exit and press OK. This was step number 2, my friends. Step number 3 is quite simple. When you are uploading, try to bypass all the extensions, my friends, and after your video is uploaded, you can use those extensions like TubeBuddy on your main Chrome browser. The reason being is that these extensions are taking a lot of space. I'm going to show you what I mean, my friends. If I go to my Chrome, you see a lot of these extensions are taking up lots and lots of memory and space, and this is a big problem, my friends, so you have to take care of it. Now this was step number 3, my friends. Step number 4 is quite simple actually. All you need to do is go to my PC, C drive, and then to users. So your username should be here. Mine is Liquid, and then you go to app data. To go to app data from here, you need to go to view and enable hidden items to view this folder. Then go to local, then Chrome, then Google, then Chrome, then user data, and profile 1. This is the one I'm logged into, and then cache, and then delete all of these files over here. This is manual deletion of the cache folders, so I have already deleted this, my friends. So this is a very important step. This was point number 4. Point number 5, what you need to do is somehow remove, just close Skype, Discord, all the other services manually. And point number 6 is quite simple as well, my friends. Point number 6 is do the usual stuff like delete temp file from system32, delete %temp% file, delete prefetch file, and do on CMD administration, do app ipconfig /flush DNS. This will really boost the process. I will link those processes in the video, my friends. Don't worry about that. That was related to Windows 10 cache removal, so it will also help you a lot, my friends, in boosting your upload times on Chrome browser. So enjoy yourself, my friends, and let me know in the comment section below if I missed anything. I'll be signing off. Take care.